All right, this is our last problem together, and it says, what went wrong? So as I look at this, it looks like we have a box and maybe a box of cereal or something, and so we have this measurement over here that's 3, we have a measurement that's 7, and then we have another measurement that is 16. So I'm just going to go ahead and give, these measurements. I'm just going to look at these measurements and think to myself, well, 3 groups of 7 is 21, and 21 times 16. So that's, quite a bit there that I'm looking at. So I'm going to go over here and look at my formula. And I see that they started with length times width times height. And then it looks like they plugged in the pieces as needed. But then I see 7 times 3. I see the problem right here. The problem is it does not give you 10. So we have found our error, so make sure that you have put that in. And then it says, well, what went wrong? Well, they mismultiplied. And so what we're going to do is we're actually going to find out the volume. So we're going to set this up and say 3 times 7 times 16. And if you want right now, you can pause the video, solve it yourself, and then let's see if we're able to get the same answer. All right, welcome back. So 3 groups of 7 is 21, and 21 times 16 is, like I said, much more than I can think about in my head. So I'm going to set it up over here, stack it, 21 times 16. And I'm going to start with 6 times 1, which is 6, and 6 times 2, which is 12, 0. And then we have 1 times 1 is 1, and 1 times 2 is 2. So when I put these two partial products together, we're able to get 336 square units. Okay, boys and girls, so that is the end of our lesson for today. So go ahead and look at your checklist and see if there is anything else that you need to do before you leave class.